Vanilla milkshake filling station, Old Makati, Philippines.
So, ito na nga. Galing ko ng party.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
And then,
So
uwi
good.
na sana kami.
Sana.
Kaso lang,
We had an idea. Yeah.
sarap. Ooh, sobrang tamis.
It's vanilla. It's not vanilla. It's vanilla. It's healthy. It's healthy. It's healthy. It's healthy. It's good.
So,
It's been 3 years we tried to come here.
yeah. So finally
So
we're
it's
here.
okay.
Biglaan. After the party, supposedly we're going home, but we end up here in
You like my mustache, Manami?
this one. Yung sabihin ako, nakakalimutan ko tuloy. You're interrupting me.
I'm so sorry.
Ano sabihin ko?
We've been trying to come here for 3 years,
Oh, tapos,
and then we tried one time, and there was like 20 people outside.
No, hindi plano. Hindi plano after party. Supposedly we're going home and then now we're here.
Especially that we live so close to the party, and we went up to Makati for this, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it.
Yes.
Mm.
Tapos,
Yes,
we having a... What are you having, what? What burger?
I'm having the filling station super burger,
Oh, yun din. Bala ka dyan. Sorry.
but it's apparently 3 hours waiting time or cooking time.
Hindi, 259 lang. Ayan na siya.
No, no, no,
Gutom na
no,
kami.
not possible, not possible.
Mga tatlo.
So,
Sige na mamaya naman.
so
Naku.
that's what she said.